on YouTube. It's your boy Crypto Chat. Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. And today, let's just go over the Bitcoin chart real fast and just some other news in cryptocurrency. But as you can see, you guys, so we rebounded, made like a new pattern off these lows here, and we had 1 BART, 2 BART, 3 BART, 4, and we just could not keep on BARTing up. We had some key resistance up here at the 6,800 level that we couldn't break through. We touched a couple times with some candles. Also was not able to hold 6,700, and we fell all the way down to about 6,350, and we were unable to hold 6,350 as of now, so we dropped even further, and we're at about 6,177 at the moment on this Bitfinex chart, which is not super great news. So now you can see we're kind of just following a little dissension right here. You can see the volume picked up a little bit and not to the good side. A lot of the volume has been selling. So right now there's more selling volume that has basically negated these giant green candles, these giant green volume candles. All the selling has come in. So as of now, Bitcoin is looking very bearish, and who knows how much more it's going to break down. You can see right here, we're in this whole little area right here. So the next point to go next will be the low 6,100s. And I'm saying if we break 6,100 and we get into maybe 6,030 or 6,080 or something like that, I don't really see much stopping us from going back to these lows. Now these lows right here, I'm assuming are going to be pretty hard to break. We might go back and test them again. I'm not too sure, but I don't expect these lows to break super easily. I think they will eventually break, but for now, you know, that's our low right now. So I don't really see us crossing that anytime soon. But if we're gonna go zoom out, let's go on maybe the 4-hour chart. You know, basically, so we had this large descending triangle that we are still technically a part of. Then the trend broke out indifferently. So then we had a slightly descending, a less steep descending triangle, and then we kind of broke out of that formation as well. And now we're following back into this descending triangle again, you know, so it's just not super bullish for Bitcoin right now. However, all that can change. That's the crazy thing about this market, you guys. Everything can change. All you need is one giant ass green candle to come out of nowhere, and that's basically how the market has been trading. It's just been nothing, dead, selling, then a giant green candle comes in, and it temporarily slows the selling for a little bit. That's what we've been seeing. So yeah, I would not buy Bitcoin right now. I mean, for the long term, go for it, but you know, I wouldn't buy any altcoins for sure right now. It's all depending on what Bitcoin does. So who knows? Maybe this is the new low here, and we bounce back up. That is definitely a possibility. That is definitely a possibility. If you see us garner support here on the 6,100, 6,200 level, and we stay here for a while, there is a possibility to have an upswing to the upside. But if we are slowly going down, then just forget it. It's not going to happen. But again, guys, this market's heavily manipulated. Who knows why? You know, you just have these giant green candles coming out of nowhere within like a minute. So that's basically what we're having to deal with, what we're having to play with. So that's why I'm not really touching any investments or trading today. Let's refresh this, take a look. So we're under 250 billion, 245 billion market cap. Really low volume again, and the Bitcoin dominance is relatively the same. So we're at 106 billion, so we still haven't gone under 100 billion yet in the Bitcoin market cap. But let's just take a look at all the biggest winners and losers today. So Nulls is up 16% in Bitcoin value, which is pretty cool. Nullcoin, never heard of. Kin, don't know nothing about. Cybermiles, don't know nothing about. Mithril, don't know nothing about. I don't know anything about any of these coins. I know Dentacoin was just released on Binance the other day. Oh, not Dentacoin, Dentcoin, excuse me. Denta and Dent. Great. Anyway, yeah, Tether's a lot of transaction in Tether going on. 372,000 Bitcoins. And if you just take a look at the #1 volume, it's Bitcoin, Tether, Ether, EOS, and Bitcoin Cash, man. Whew, down in the dumps. But yeah, guys, not a whole lot going on in the market. Most of it is red, not super red, but just following Bitcoin red. Not a whole lot. Let's just take a look on the second page here, see if we have any pumps and dumps. No pumps and dumps today. Usually there's a couple pumps and dumps when the market's doing that. Hey, there you go. Look, volume $839 globally. See, this is why market cap is total bullshit, you guys, because like like literally like this. Okay, this coin has 33 million supply. Somebody bought one for 67 cents, or maybe they bought 800 of them or whatever, and now the whole market cap is what? That's not. That's why market cap is real bullshit, guys. That's just, look, volume's 800 bucks, which is stupid. And Hydro, I believe, just got listed on Bitfinex. Am I mistaken on that? I think the Hydro protocol, is this it? Hot, is that the symbol? No, that's not it. Hot, I know this other coin. I thought it was this shit coin that got uh, put on Bitfinex, but I guess it was this coin, Hydro protocol, which I'm not really familiar with. Anyway, and let's just check the news, guys. There's just one story I haven't seen anyone talk about on YouTube yet, so I'll talk about it. Some investor wants to bet $6.3 million on Bitcoin to beat Berkshire Hathaway. So this guy is claiming that a private investor wants to bet $8.5 million to win $1.2 billion by betting that Bitcoin is going to reach higher than a Berkshire Hathaway share in 2023. Now, this would be quite hilarious, considering that Warren Buffett hates Bitcoin. He'll hate Bitcoin even more if this, quote, Ponzi, rat squared poison, whatever he calls it, actually becomes more valuable than this company he's been working on in his entire life. He would definitely hate Bitcoin then, but that's just a little fun news. We'll see if that happens. The Bitcoin ETF is the next article of news that everyone is talking about. And this one's a little different. I think each ETF is going to be 25 Bitcoins a piece. So it's not really for retail investors or really small investors. You got to be a real rich son of a bitch to get into this ETF. So everyone's super hyped about the ETF. Everyone's saying, oh, if we get this ETF, Bitcoin to the moon. Oh, if we get this ETF, all this good stuff. And that's what we were told about the futures. And the days the futures open was the highest Bitcoin ever was. And it just went downhill from there. So we don't know exactly. I know the ETF is different. They're actually transacting and holding Bitcoin in the private keys, while the futures market was just cash. But you never know. Who knows? This might negatively affect Bitcoin. I don't really see that. But, I mean, shit, if this happens next month, that could be a huge game changer and could just throw away all the technical analysis and all the recent price action. It might really be the catalyst to put us into another little bull trend or little mini reversal, or who knows, a whole-on mania again. I don't know. But, well, only time will tell, and we'll just have to see. So I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Let me know what's up in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.